Hi, Daniel Parsons. Really grateful to be with you. I am a Life Farm independent business owner. And so this is just simply my ID badge from the Life Farm incentive cruise in 2024, where we were blessed to sail the Mediterranean Sea. And so I always keep these things that I earn from the direct sales companies. They come in handy. It's an easy way to prove who I am. And so I want to go on screen share and quickly show you right behind me is Life Farm's Cellnergy red light TeraHertz device. And these have been on the market for a little over 2 years now. And so it's an incredible way to help your wellness. And so want to quickly give my medical disclaimer, FDA disclaimer. Life Farm products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with your licensed medical providers for your health issues and needs. So I got that out of the way. Now I just want to give you a real quick summary of who Life Farm is. They're a California-based company. They've been known for this laminine product since 2011. And so I pulled up on DuckDuckGo just a few minutes ago, laminine physician's desk reference excerpts. So it's in last year's information. So for a wellness company to have their product, and so what this product is, it's fertilized avian egg extract. There's quite a remarkable discovery was made by the European doctor. And so you can read all about that. So this product may help with your growth factor and stem cell optimizers. And stem cells, that's been in the news in the wellness field for many, many years. Now, Life Farm has also this Cellnergy Power Cream. And so this has thermal wave technology, and it's also got some of the components of the laminine, and that's why this is so remarkable compared to everything else that's out there on the market. So now there's a Cellnergy FootCharge, and so we will go and show you the instruction sheet. And so I can give this to you once you buy, and I'll show you how to buy. So this is your instruction manual, and I'll just scroll down here. Product specifications. It's very light, and it's 30 by 30 by 3 centimeters, and that's just underneath 1 foot or 12 inches by 12 inches. And by 1.18 inches. So it's very thin and it's not very big. You can put this in your carry-on luggage, no problem whatsoever. So takes up to 3 hours for your first charge. You want to charge it up all the way. It's 5-watt power. And so all of this other stuff, you never want to change the battery yourself. I'll give you the specifics on that and show you where all the useful information is. And so this is just your safety instructions and your warnings and device battery safety, remote battery safety, user guidelines, usage tips, how to use. So you got 6 smart modes, and the reviews are coming in. I've got a lady that is just absolutely enamored with this product. She is really, really joyful. So I'll stop sharing there. And what I want to do is go over. And so I want to share this screen here, my Life Farm. So if you'll go to mylifefarm.com/Daniel, you'll come onto my page, and then you can see how to order. Now, if you need help with anything, just call me. I'm on the Pacific time zone in Washington State, 360-383-0265. And so Right here is a Life Pharm Help Center, because everybody that buys one of these, they get free shipping on this device, and they get one of these replicated websites, because maybe you've got somebody that you know that they would definitely benefit from the therapy. And so from what I understand now, I am not a licensed medical provider. I've done a whole bunch of research in over 20 years of being in the wellness field. And from what I understand, when our feet start to give us problems and we start having cold feet, then our feet can really speed up our aging process. So if you want to keep your feet warm, this Life Pharm Cellnergy FootCharge is for you. And so I want to come back off of screen share here, but anything you need whatsoever about any of the products, about the specifications, that's all right there in the Life Pharm Help Center. And so you just type in whatever you want there, and it'll tell you what it is. Let me go back on screen share one more time, and let me show you my Life Pharm team at gmail.com is my email address. So my Life Pharm team at gmail.com. So I gave you my phone number, I gave you my email. And so I want to just quickly close with this. I can show you the Cellnergy FootCharge product details. Let's show you that. Okay, so this is something in the Help Center. Remember, we were just talking about that, helpcenter.lifepharm.com. So everything you can possibly need about it is right here, and they keep updating it. I noticed they just updated 2 days ago. So your feet do more than move you. They're home to over 7,000 nerve endings that keep your brain and body in sync. Okay, but as we age, those signals weaken, often leading to burning, tingling, or numbness, common signs of neuropathy. It becomes harder to walk, harder to stay balanced, and harder to feel in control. That's why we created Cellnergy FootCharge, the first at-home nerve stimulation system powered by multi-therapy technology. So I just don't have the time to go into all of what the technology is. However, you just get a hold of me and I will point you to those resources. So this is Daniel. I look forward to working with you. I'm here. I have a Telegram support room that has every single detail you could possibly want with this product and with the Life Pharm products. And I look forward to helping you. And call me Pacific Time weekdays. Thank you very much. Bye for now.